Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. If you enjoy these videos, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It is found, like I said, right underneath the video. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, we finally got the IPSY confirmation of who is going to be the curator of the Glam X for February 2022. And we were absolutely right. I do have the information from IPSY, as well as a couple of spoilers and sneak peeks, as well as the confirmation of the bag as well. So I have it set up on my computer, so let's get started. So here we go. It is Addison Rae. This is the Glam X collection. That says, whether you were introduced to Addison, the TikToker who makes dance videos and shares her daily makeup routine, or you know Addison, the beauty mogul, then from Item Beauty, yep, that's all her. And now she also is starring in Netflix, He's All That, which made it to #1 in 78 countries. One thing is clear about Addison Rae is her positive attitude and megawatt smile are completely infectious, which is why we were beyond happy to have Addison curate our February Glam Bag X. And then Addison Rae left a quote that she says she's so excited to finally be able to share the IPSY Glam X with us. She's filling her collection with items that we will find in her own makeup bag. When we feel good about products we put on our skin, it's like we both give ourselves self-love and self-expression. I love simple, reliable products that allow you to make any look you own. That is what this collection is all about, and it's essentials to empowerment, individuality that feels good inside and out. So she has an inspiration, and she says, if you're anything like Addison and the rest of the pulp culture that's going on right now, they are completely obsessed with iconic throwback looks from the 1990s, like Cindy Crawford's voluminous blowout from her Pepsi commercial, and all those warm brown makeups in The Craft. She says that she filled the Glam Bag X collab with everything we need to take a trip back to the 90s. Think smoky eyes, fluffy hair, bright red lips, and more. All with modern twists that feel fresh and new. Her mom was a makeup artist in the 90s, and she has an archive of amazing photos from that time. The collection has a special way to pay tribute to her mom, as well as that era of beauty. So I'm going to also show you a sneak peek now of what the actual bag looks like, and this is what it looks like here. And just to give you a little bit of how Glam X works. The Glam X is available as a quarterly upgrade for the Glam Bag, as well as the Glam Bag Plus members. So if you already have one or both of those bags, then you were going to be getting this bag. You do not have to worry. What I want to make sure that you know, and from my experience, is that if you have both, they take it from the Plus. So I will not be receiving my Plus in the month of February. I will be upgraded and be paying the difference for the Glam X that month, but I still receive my Glam bag. All right. If you want to upgrade, you can also go on the account now, and everything is there. So let's look at some of the cool spoilers that they have shared with us today. So starting with one that we saw a little bit of a sneak peek with this on Instagram, where they did this really quick video. So the first item is from Item Beauty, and Item Beauty, as they mentioned earlier, is her brand. And as I've told you in previous videos that were just the last couple of days, because I've been getting my boxes early, so I've been able to film for you guys and share. The Item Beauty is a partnership with IPSY. So a lot of people consider it an IPSY brand, but it's not. It's her brand that's made in an IPSY company that's a sister company that's called Made It Collection, and they're the ones that do the manufacturing and all of that and put it all together. And that same company that is under the IPSY umbrella as a sister company also does Complex Culture, and they also did the Becky G Translucé brand as well. So starting with this one here for the spoilers, it says, if you're ready to drive in to a decade of the To Die For Beauty inspo and see the full product assortment in Addison Glam Bag Collection, we can't wait to show you everything. That is soon. For now, we can spill on a few of the can't miss products, and you can get your Glam X Addison Rae. Be sure to follow everybody on IPSY as well as Addison Rae, they're saying, on Instagram. All right, so the first item here is the Item Beauty, and it says it's the Daily Eyeshadow Palette, and they're saying this is a $26 value. Just so you know, the Glam X, I think, is $55 and it's free ship in the USA. This was created by Addison herself. She's a co-founder of Item Beauty, which I already mentioned to you, and it says this is the neutral shades in this clean makeup palette that will be your go-tos for work, weekend, and everything in between. They're ultra flattering, long wearing, and easy to blend and buildable too. So that was the first sneak peek. A lot of people saw these colors and they were thinking it was a contour palette. This to me is a perfect neutral palette. I am so excited, and I hope that we all get this. Remember, these are just sneak peeks and spoilers. It doesn't mean that we're all gonna get this. This was another one that a lot of us weren't sure, and a few girls guessed that it was Pat McGrath, and they were right. This is a Pat McGrath Labs Lust Gloss, and the colors that we can potentially get are in Bronze Venus, Heavy Petal, Love Potion, Peach Perfusion, Secret Lover, and Sunset Rose. These are all $28 each. They're saying these aren't your average lip glosses. They are lightweight, not at all sticky. They are a gel formula that's infused with shimmery pigments for a wet looking lip in a swipe. Addison's tip is top off your favorite lip color with a coat of this gloss for a multi-dimensional look. The next item that she has given us a sneak peek on is this one here, and this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the Clear Brow Gel, and this is a $22 value. And they're saying a few swipes of this clear, lightweight gel will tame and polish your bare brows and can easily lock in the pigments from a brow pencil or a pomade or even your brow pen. It says this is a long-lasting formula that won't dry down or get flaky either. So those are all the sneak peeks that they're sharing with us right now. There are ones that they showed, like I said, a little bit of that we got a little confirmation of, but it is confirmed that Addison Rae is the curator for the Glam X for February 2022. I am excited about this. Like I've shared with you in previous videos, I have at least 4 or 5 items from her line, from her mascara, which is this really fantastic small wand that reaches every lash, to her lip quip, which is her lip oil, which is so beautiful. I actually just got the full size of it in my bag. So if you want to see that, you can see that in the BoxyCharm base box. And then the other item that I've had the opportunity to try from her is her setting spray as well as her moisturizer. If you're a combo girl, her moisturizer is perfect. It's a light moisturizer, and I'm finding also her setting spray has been an absolute treat, and it has really helped with my makeup. So I'm not a girl that's on TikTok, so I don't know Addison Rae from that world, but I do know her from the Item Beauty as well as the IPSY world that has introduced us to Item Beauty as a brand. And I'm telling you, this is something that I am over the moon excited about, and I hope that you guys are too. Please share with me in the comments down below if you get the Glam X, or if you're deciding that you've already tried some of her products and you're deciding not to get the Glam X. I'm just really curious what your thoughts are. So please make sure to share them in the comments down below, because like I said, on my channel, I have the voice that has a channel that I can share with you, but your voice is always in the comments, and that's what I wait for to hear from you. So make sure to leave a comment down below, and I want to make sure that you guys know that when I enjoy a product, I want to make sure that you guys know about it too. And this is a brand that I really have been enjoying. And like I said, I really think that IPSY's collaborations that they're doing with like the Complex Culture as well as Item Beauty are ones that I think they are knocking them out of the park. I have never been more impressed with some products and new brands like these brands that are coming out of IPSY. So like I said, please share in the comments down below, but it's always important during this time that I always want to end my videos that what's really, really important that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well. And I will see you all soon again in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.